Welcome everyone, I'm John. This is the crypto channel of John's Crypto Channel, and here I educate people in cryptocurrencies. I also make sure that you learn something from how the market works. If you like my channel, give it a thumbs up, like it, share it with other people. If you want to let me make different movies, let me know. I'm just here to educate you all and make sure that you find your way into the crypto space. Now, one of the things I'm doing at this point is adding stuff to metamask to make sure that you know where to add the change. We're gonna add a new chain today to metamask. Let me add the chain to metamask, and that one will be Fantom for today. First of all, we need to open metamask. If you don't know how to install metamask, look at one of my other movies. If you have installed metamask, you can open up here on the right side by pressing the wolf icon. You can press here add network, Avalanche network, you can see here at the top side where my cursor is. Then you have a few chains that are onto it, and you can add a new network. By pressing adding a new network, you will open up the screen and you will be able to add a new network. One of the networks I'm going to add today is Fantom. Description below will show you this website so that you can also go straight to here and add take it from these notes here down here that you need to be adding. First of all, we're going to copy the name of the network, copy and paste this in the name of the network. We're going to copy the new RPC URL, of course. We're gonna add this here. We're gonna copy the chain number or chain ID. Then we're gonna copy the symbol. And after that, we are gonna copy the explorer. And the explorer is where you can find where your change it has been done. So now it's been saved and you have Fantom on your metamask network. This is how you do it. If you need some more information on Fantom, just let me know and I'll be giving you some other details. See you all in the next movie. I hope you learned something. Be well and enjoy your day. Ciao.